just look like this, or if I can just eat like this, if I could just have this control and sort this out, then I would reach this end point. But I think when you get stuck in that, there's always the seeking for more, isn't there?
Because if you can be quote unquote perfect, you're trying to remove any room for feedback or criticism or nuance, aren't you? Because that feels too threatening.
If I was binging as a result of feeling not good enough, coming out of the binge the following days always felt so panicky for me, because it doesn't feel safe to be seen. I don't want to be seen, but you're eating food in a way that's going to make you bigger and it's going to feel more exposing.
Your body deserves to have fuel. So it almost like the binging is coming in as this part to fight to show that you are like good enough and you are worthy and you deserve that. That's how I perceive it.